Hello guys, today I'm going to show you my unboxing video of the new M1 chip MacBook Pro 13-inch from Apple. So let's get into it. So I'm going to unbox this stuff. Ooh. So right here we have our new MacBook Pro 13-inch. Nothing that fits in here. So I'm gonna just put that on. So here we have the new MacBook Pro with M1 chip. So here we have a closer look of our MacBook Pro with M1 chip. You can see the new model. They changed the image of the screen of the MacBook screen, unlike the mid 2020 MacBook Pro. It's totally different. And as you can see, it's 13-inch MacBook Pro. Yeah. Alright, so here we're going to do the unboxing right now. So we start off from alright to the end. I think it's enough. Alright, so we can take it out. Alright, here we go. This is our new MacBook Pro. So apart from the laptop, we also have one USB-C charger and also one book from Apple, and we have the USB-C 61 watt Apple adapter as well. Alright, I think there's nothing left from the box. Ooh, that smell. And let's get into the MacBook itself. Alright, so first we need to unlock some of these. Be careful, be gentle. Alright, I think it's unlocked. And here you go. Here we have our new MacBook Pro. Oh, let's see. Alright. Here it is. It's brand new. Alright guys, so we are going to open this big boy up. Oh, it's already opening. So take the screen off. Here we're waiting for our new M1 chip MacBook Pro. My MacBook is done setting up. So now we are going to look at this Mac. As you can see, this Mac uses the Apple M1 chip with the 8GB of memory, which I bought the base line of the MacBook Pro. And I think overall it's still the same. Yes, and it's 256GB. Alright, so thank you guys for watching and hope you guys enjoy my unboxing video. Peace.